Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI Wash Concentrate. This wash concentrate is used for MAGLUMI full automatic analyzers. Here we can see the contents. This is a 1 into 714 ml, and we have also see the reference number 1302990005M, then lot number, then expiry date. This pictorial shows we can handle this product to upwards, and this product consists of an instruction manual. We should avoid from this product from direct sunlight. We should maintain this product from 2 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. That is CES approved product. We can also see the manufacturing details through here. This is a frontal view of this product. We can show this is top view. This is side view. This is back view. In this back view, we can see the Snibe Dynastic brand name. This is another side view. I am open for your reference. This product contains one instruction manuals. This is the instruction manual. In this instruction manual, we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic, then product name MAGLUMI Wash Concentrate, CE approved certificate. This instruction manual content intent use, summary, materials provided, warning and precautions, procedure, handling, rinsing of canisters. Then all details are in this instructions manual. This is the product. We can see the MAGLUMI Wash Concentrate product name. This is a CE approved IVD product. We can also see the contents. This is a 714 ml product. You can also see the reference number 1302990005M, lot number, and the experience number. We can also handling this product through upwards. We should avoid from direct sunlight. We should maintain this product 2 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. This is CE approved product.